Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Goodhue County and southeastern Minnesota until 4:45 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wanamingo, or 16 miles north of Mantorville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wanamingo around 4:25 p.m. Zumbrota around 4:35 p.m. Goodhue around 4:40 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Minnesota. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.